कॉलेज के दूसरे लोकेशन पे, क्योंकि आज यहाँ पे हमारा फॉरेस्ट वॉक है विच इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर सब्जेक्ट एंड असाइनमेंट। सो हमारे साथ हमारे मेंटर भी रहेंगे और सारे क्लासमेट्स भी आ रहे हैं अभी, पर मैं 9 बजे पहुँच गई हूँ और हमारा जो फॉरेस्ट वॉक है वो 1 बजे है। तो तब तक मैं यहाँ पर बैठ के इन लोगों का वेट करूँगी और जितना भी दिखा सकूँगी मैं आपको दिखाऊँगी। सो लेट्स वेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ देम टू कम।
The Forest and Nature School resided here. We're going to walk the exact same path that the children do, and you'll be able to experience some of the...
In Germany?
In some of the areas?
Yeah, we do, but go to the Black Forest and you have that.
Actually, the tribes used to call the forest the land of the dead, right?
Come on, Ola!
Alright, so...
more snow on there. Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yes. She got a bench.
Snow and that's it? No, that's not how it works. Or, I mean, it's because I'm not sure. What's up?
Yeah, and then in summer, there's lots of frogs, turtles.
Oh, wow.
And in here.
Ready?
Yeah.
1.
Okay. What's the time name?
The time?
Are you going to try rolling?
No.
Oh, that would be very easy.
Victoria, go! This is Forrester, go! Come on. I just need to take a picture of you. I'm sorry. No, he's rolling. Oh, he's rolling. He's rolling. Oh my god. No, did he take off his glasses at least?
I haven't. Yeah.
Oh, they're rolling. Stop it. Oh, she's gonna push him. Yeah. Oh, that's actually good. Actually, see that? Oh, stop Someone with long arms.
Little sit spots that Pauline will share with you later what we did. Somebody left their gift here, but I don't know whose it is. Is it this group or somebody forgot? Maybe somebody forgot their gift. Okay. And tools. We bring tools out. So there's a saw. We don't say, here's a saw, go play. We actually teach them how to use a saw. So those children who become skilled, like Indy, in using saws, will teach other children how to use them as well. So we teach children how to whittle this way, away from themselves. There's research that suggests if you and we build fires as well out in the forest, so the children will build them. Colin was our builder of fire, and then we light them. And then they help us actually take them out. The one other rule we had in the forest is there's a fire pit. There was a fire pit in the middle. You could never cross over it, no matter what. You always had to go around it. Just a safety habit.